Wow, that's so deep. You had a recent message, and it was titled Time to Grow Up. And you made a statement that was interesting to me. You said, God is not concerned with your church attendance. He's concerned with your spiritual maturity. Expound on that.
Yeah, you can go to church and not be growing spiritually. Spiritual growth has to do with your decision making. Am I more consistently aligning my decisions to God's will and God's word? It's to the degree that I am doing that validates or invalidates my maturity. So if you're going to church regularly, but your decisions are not growing in consistency with that, then church is not of any benefit to you. It's like going to a restaurant every week, but you're not swallowing anything. You're still going to starve even though you show up at the place. So just showing up at the place is not enough for spiritual transformation or spiritual nutrition for that matter.